But history tells us that as Africans, we were pagans. Before Christianity was brought to Africa, we were worshipping demons and witchcraft and all these things. Is that true?
The history books have lied to Africans, giving us a false sense of identity by interpreting the ways of our ancestors to be false and to be demonic. Whereas in reality, our ancestors saw our indigenous belief systems as a way of interpreting the will of the divine, interacting and honoring the divine, and preserving laws that kept us bound and at peace with the divine. Therefore, whenever we honor our ancestors, we are honoring the interconnectivity of being and existence that have actually paved the way